got a Honda FRV here on a 2006-2007 plate. The middle center brake light here, that's not working, but I'm going to show you how it's done. Can you press the brakes for me, please? As you can see, the passenger side, which is the left side, is working, the driver side is working, but the middle one isn't. Okay, if you let go of the brakes, please. All you're going to need is a flat screwdriver, which is here. And in these little clips here, can you see? You've got a space in there, so you push the screwdriver in, gently push the clips out. The screws are right behind there, so you've got to be very careful you don't break it. Because that one there is out. That one there is out as well. And I've just dropped it. And then you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, which goes in there. Right, okay, when you get the Phillips screwdriver, undo the screws. That's one done. Undo this side here as well. That's done. Just don't drop the screws on the floor anywhere, like I just did. But I got it. And then on the back here, this is the plug, right? So you twist it to your left and then gently pull it out. So this has the capless bulb, as you can see. Now the capless bulb would be an RB955, that's the part number there. Get the bulb out, put the new bulb in. And then you screw it back in there, twist it to your right, make sure it twists in, and then gently put everything back together. I'm pretty confident now that it's working. Just gonna screw it in first, or anything. And then screw this side in as well. The clips back on, and the clips would only go one way, so that's the top way there. So you just gently push the clips in. That's in there. And then do the same on this side. And now check the brakes, please. Put your foot on the brake. Bingo! That's done now. The middle one's working as well. So that's all you have to do. Can you press it again, please? Yep, the middle one's working there. So that's all you have to do. It's quite a simple procedure. So just unclip these, and there's 2 screws behind it, and that's it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.